I hope you can hear me. I'm doing this on my phone in our noisiest car. Great idea. Went to the chiropractor today and I got beat up. Yeah, I just literally sprinted through the thrift store. So by the time I got there, I had about 20 minutes, and I didn't even take 20 minutes. But hey, it's a beautiful day in Wisconsin. 60 degrees. It's supposed to be 40 by the end of the week, but we won't talk about that. Did I find anything in the thrift store? Well, let's find out. So I don't have my GoPro today. I'm doing this on my phone in the loud car. Hope you can hear me. Car's loud. All right, first thing I noticed were these outside racks. Everything on these racks marks 50 cents. That seems pretty exciting. Then I remembered I don't really sell clothes and I don't have time to go through them. So let's go inside, shall we? First thing I noticed were these floppy disk cases. I don't have time to look anything up. Like I said, I've got about 20 minutes to go through the store. I'm going to assume that it's old media stuff for old computers, and that it'll sell, and they're only 50 cents. So even if I don't find any comps, that, hey, look, one of them smart cards. Even if I don't find comps on those, I'll just, I could take the loss of $1. These things were actually pretty cool. I'm sorry I don't have better footage of them here. But I think somebody hand-painted those on like old pieces of paneling. I don't know. If they were cheap, I probably should have considered picking those up to put in our booth. But I was in a hurry and making irrational decisions. Skipped the luggage this time. Didn't want to mess with it. So they had this whole tote of Thomas the Tank Engine stuff. No engines. There was like one car in there, a bunch of track pieces, and some like, unique pieces that I'm guessing probably could have sold, but I didn't want to buy this whole big thing and bring it home without looking them up, and I didn't have time to look them up, so ultimately I left this behind. I may have regretted it. The whole tote was only $4. I'm guessing some of you, whoa, what happened there? That's why they call me the Spielberg of YouTube. I don't know what exactly I'm looking at here. I was in a hurry. I was concentrating more on what my eyes were seeing as opposed to what the camera was seeing. And look, there's some sturdy shelving, so they know their merchandise won't fall down. Some TLC videos, new, sealed for like $1.25. Maybe I should have grabbed those. I was in panic mode, man. I wasn't thinking. 50 cents for some floppy disks. I'll grab those. Why not? And let's do. Whoa, Chuck, what are you doing? Easy, buddy. Alright. I always peruse these cords and stuff. Sometimes I find chargers. Check out the books very quickly. Nothing really jumped out at me. Magazines I didn't even look at this time. Mugs, gotta look at the mugs. Again, nothing really major jumped out at me. Found this Mary Kay mug. I didn't even know Mary Kay had mugs. Maybe I should have looked that one up, but again, no time. No time! Didn't see any interesting glassware. Decided to check out the kitchen stuff. And I did find one interesting piece.
Bring the funk back.
This beautiful little avocado baby right down here. Nice. What did you find? 2 Eichner floppy disk files. Oh, look at that one's even got the little stickers in there. 50 cents each for these. 1 Oster fondue pot, avocado green, in excellent condition. 50 cents each on those, $2.50 for this, and another 50 cents on these 3.5-inch floppy disks, which isn't full, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. There's like 8 of them in there. So Nate sent me a package. I'm not allowed to open it until we're live on Thursday night. That will be tomorrow night for most of you. Thursday, what's today? Well, the 14th of April, 2022. I'm having a live unboxing on the Beardo Show. I'm a little nervous. I have no idea what he sent me. Giving Nate's personality, who knows? So if you're an adult that likes to talk about juvenile stuff, join us on the Beardos and see what kind of crazy crap Nate sent me. Thanks for coming along. Bye! I'm the back road bidder. Adjusting some shit. I will pillage your thrift store. So I did a quickie at the thrift store. Get all the good stuff and sell it. Fix my beard. It's atrocious. How's that, you little freaks? You like it? Alright. Stop it! Bench press in a house on the weird. I ran so fast. That's dumb. Alright, bye.